Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Welcome to the ZBS Story, a video series that will take you on an exciting journey through the heart of our institution. I am Hassan, your host.
I am Salman, your co-host. Over the coming weeks, we'll explore the department, courses, workshops, and unique program that makes ZBS a hub of knowledge, growth, and excellence.
That's right, Salman. This is all about discovering how ZBS nurtures students in both Deen and Dunya, providing them with the tools to become confident, knowledgeable, and effective contributor to society.
Let's start with an overview of our department and their amazing work.
First, we have the Hifz and Nazar section. The foundation of our institution. Here, students begin their journey by learning to recite the Quran fluently and beautifully. Once they have mastered this, they move on to Hifz, memorizing the entire Quran. On average, they will complete their Quran in 2 years and sit on Wifaq exam. After that, they transition into the next department.
That brings us to the Hufaz education system. A comprehensive 4-year program designed for our young Hufaz. In the first year, students build a strong foundation in contemporary education covering primary level subjects.
In the second year, they dive into the Arabic language skills, focusing on speaking and writing fluently. This prepares them to engage deeply with the classical Islamic text.
The third year shifts focus to English proficiency. Students learn to speak confidently, write essays effectively, and communicate clearly, all while completing this secondary education.
In the final year, students take on grade 9 and 10 and begin the foundation year of Dars Nizami. It's a beautiful blend of modern and traditional education.
And then we have the specialization in public speaking and research writing, also known as التخصص في الدعوة والخطابة والتحقيق في الفرق الباطنة. This one-year program is renowned for producing exceptional speakers and researchers.
Students in this program receive intensive training and public speaking, effective communication, research methodologies. This is all explore Islamic sects and beliefs critically, guided by some of the most renowned scholars in the country.
Plus, they attend workshops and seminars led by experts to refine their skills. Graduates from this department are known for their eloquence, confidence, and ability to articulate Islam's message beautifully.
Over the courses of this series, we will dive deeper into each department, meet the teachers and students, showcase the daily routines, milestones, and achievements.
You will also get to see behind the scenes glimpses of our workshops and classes and events and discover why ZBS is a leader in both Islamic and contemporary education.
So stay tuned as we unravel the inspiring story of ZBS, its transformative programs, and its incredible impact on the students and the wider community.
See you in the next episode of the ZBS story. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.